What are the causes for maintenance? What are the reasons? Why do we do the software maintenance? Why it is required? First thing is, while you are developing a software, that is, you have the requirement analysis, then you design, and on the basis of that design, the software is coded. Now, the thing is that you are solving a particular problem of a user. Now, there is a problem which cannot be foreseen, like Y2K problem. Never people have thought about it. And these kind of problem can come anytime. So, if you are not able to anticipate, then during development, when the product is already ready and it is being delivered and this problem comes up, then you need to do the maintenance. Rate of hardware obsolescence. Software never dies. If you take a car, good car, 10, 15, even 50 years, the car is going to die. Car is not immortal because it is hard. It is a hardware. It will succumb to its wear and tear. But software never does. But maintenance is necessary for software performing lower level functions. That is the legacy software, the software which has been made. They are big complex projects, and now it is being used widely. Before 1990, no one ever thought that everyone will be having mobile. After 2020, now we can think that the kids are born with the mobiles, with the cellular phones, the smartphones. So you need to see here that the software needs to be updated, maintained every time. Whenever other software, it works with the change. Okay, let me give you an example. That your software is being delivered. Now you say USB, it will work with USB 2.0. Say USB 3.0, USB 4, 5, 6, 10, say 10 has come. The speed is say 10 Gbps or 100 Gbps. Now it is your liability to change the software to adjust working with this new USB. See, Windows 10, you are always going to Windows 11. It is free update. But what about the software you are working is not working on Windows 11. It was previously working on Windows 10. The software product may need maintenance when the operating system changes. Or user want existing software to run on a new platform. For example, Windows 10 to Windows 11 is a new software, this new operating system. A new hardware is employed. A new configuration is employed. So if you have 10 functionality, the user can come, he says, oh, 2 more functionality I want. Or the government has changed some scheme or some numbers or interest rate or any other thing. So you need to enhance the feature. So you need to do the maintenance.